And it comes back to that same discussion that we had earlier, right? Where people are talking about, oh, well, should I go for Amazon, Azure, Google certifications? Well, be careful, right? Because if you're saying, hey, I'm Azure certified, that might be telling a hiring manager, oh, this is somebody who always needs an interface to work with servers. They need an interface to work with databases, right? It's been a while since I looked at Azure, but Azure is very GUI based for their management, right? You want to be able to walk into an interview that says, yeah, I can work with Azure, I can work with Terminal, these are the different flavors of Linux that I know. You kind of want to have that flexibility in your resume, guys, okay? Okay, so Isa says R squared is close to 0. Amrampali says definitely low R squared. Joseph says low, maybe less than 0.7. Joseph says just low. Okay, guys, so I don't want to sound like I'm splitting hairs here, but there is a difference between saying it's going to be close to 0 versus definitely low R squared. And I think I tend to agree a little bit more with Amrampali, where Isa, we don't know it's going to be 0. The only thing we really know is that it's definitely not going to be close to 1, and it's going to be low. So I'm leaning more towards Amrampali's answer and Joseph's answer about low, maybe less than 0.7. Joseph, I would say it's even lower than that. I mean, I would say like 0.2. So again, that's kind of more Amrampali's answer, where, it's definitely going to be low. I mean, I would, if we were betting and we had an over-under, I would put the under at 0.2. 0.7, it's definitely going to be less than that, right? But you guys are on the right track, though. We know this is going to be a bad fit model, right?